Hey everyone, what's up? I hope you guys are doing great. Um, how do I say this? But yeah, I'm just happy. I'm happy because I am calmer than before. So I'm at this stage right now where I am receiving interviews from different prospects of mine from different companies because I'm open to more work opportunities. So I had this prospect. So I had an interview earlier today, like 30 minutes ago, and I'm just proud of myself. Not because I answered it perfectly, I still buckled, but what I've noticed is that compared to the previous interviews I had, this time I'm much more calmer in terms of expressing my ideas, answering the questions, and I think I should appreciate myself more, um, be able to pull that off. I mean, I know the answers within me, but sometimes, most of the time, it can get in the nervousness can get in the way in delivering my message, and it gets jumbled in my head. But this time I was not rambling at all. I mean, the answers I like I said, it's not the perfect answer I had in an interview, but I've noticed that I'm much more calmer when answering and delivering the message that I wanted to get across. I've heard good feedback coming from that first interview. I mean, this is the first interview. So he said that there are going to be other interviews with the direct with the client already, because the one that interviewed me was a pre-screening manager. Um, but yeah, just wanted to say that I'm proud of myself for answering calmly during that interview. Hey, what's up, you guys? Today is already Wednesday in the Philippines, but for my work, it's still Tuesday because I'm working US based. Um, and I'm currently preparing my food. It's 3:22 a.m. and I just done with my two clients for the day. One was pretty easy. I mean, it's not easy, but it's more on because it's more on daily management and optimization. I am reheating actually the chicken that I meal prepped last Monday. And so, yeah, I'm reheating the chicken there. And yeah, I had my first client earlier today, and there, I was really focused, which is good because in the past few days, already a couple of days, my sleeping pattern is really wonky. I only were able to sleep at least 3 to 4 hours. Today, I was able to sleep. I mean, earlier today, I was only able to sleep 4 hours. But that's still pretty good. I mean, it's not good overall, but compared to the previous days I had, it's better. So I'm actually adjusting my time to eat because I feel like that's also a factor why I am not able to sleep early, because my ideal sleeping time is around 9 a.m. And then for some reason, I'm the past few days, I'm only able to sleep at around 3 to 4 p.m. and I have work at 9 p.m. So can you imagine how like I can survive? Yeah, and so hopefully with the change I make, with the timing of my eating schedule would help me that, and also I'm gonna try to stop taking coffee after 2 a.m. because You know how coffee lasts in your body for 6 hours. So that's usually is the reason why some people get hard to sleep, because they're taking coffee in the afternoon. Uh, so there's that. And then for my second client today, it's also very, I was also very focused because I was working on a strategy. I haven't done it yet. It's still in progress, but it's a marketing strategy for a new account. Um, so it's gonna take me a little bit of time to map that out. Hopefully, I get it done by tomorrow. But for my third client is, oops. All right. But for my third client, it's um, I'm gonna set up the ads for Google and Meta. I think the creatives are already prepared, are ready to go, and yeah, that's my task. After I eat today, what was that? What is this? Okay, I thought it was worm. Ew, it's not. It's just a speck of some sort. Um, so yeah, there's that. And I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna do my daily walk today. I haven't done my walk yesterday because I didn't have enough sleep and I feel like my body was really tired. I did really try my best to sleep earlier, like around 10 a.m., but still my body wouldn't let me. I mean, my body is tired, but my mind doesn't let me. So yeah, with the small changes I'm making, hopefully that day goes by is gonna be better. But yeah, I've taken already my fiber supplement, so I'm just waiting for around 20 minutes and then I get to eating. Also in the past couple of days, I have been interviewed by two prospect clients. So what's good about that is that I was able to answer them calmly because I had this sort of anxiety whenever I am put in a situation where I have to. I already mentioned that during in the first video, but you know me. Um, it's actually very helpful for me to like frame myself before the interview that it's just an interview and I shouldn't have tied myself to the outcome of that interview. Rather, frame myself to just answer the questions calmly as if they just wanted to know me more and see if we fit together or if they match with the requirements that they have and the requirements that I have for myself as well. Because sometimes people also forgot that if it's an interview, it doesn't mean that they just wanted me, but it also sometimes mean that you also figure out if that particular prospect or client does fit your lifestyle, your value, and all that, and whatever goals you set for yourself. So that kind of frame um, worked really well because from the first two interviews I had, the feedback was really great. They said that the experience I have was really, fantastic. And I was able to answer calmly. And I may not have the best answer, but I am confident that I answered them calmly. And I think that's actually just my goal for those interviews. Just I wanted to answer them calmly without even rattling or jumbling, speaking without clear directions because I had that issue whenever I do interviews. So yeah, I assessed myself, and it went really well. So I'm not expecting, yeah, but it was just fulfilling in a way to see yourself able to answer them, honestly and clearly. So yeah, and I do have one more prospect client this Friday morning. I mean, in the Philippines, so that's gonna be Thursday afternoon in the US. So I'm also hoping that's gonna be, that's gonna turn out well. So fingers crossed for that. Hey yo, good morning. Today it's Saturday and I'm going out today. I'm going to grocery. I'm going to Landers today. I'm gonna meet up with Bea and MJ sa Kanto. What's English in Kanto? Basta sa Kanto. Down the road, and then yeah, we'll head out to Landers. So join us today. Let's go. Alright, there you go. It is.
Mungkin ako kita lang. Lord, kahit ko.
I'm not using a mic right now, but what you guys think? It's so noisy here at the moment. Let's go find a taxi. And there's a taxi. Tabangan na lang ko.
Okay, asa?
Sa Landers tayo.
Ano sa ganyan ba? Competition?
Lettuce. I'm just gonna buy some lettuce. Ito na ito ba si nice? Ano dira? Atong napalit na ako na ano. Ay, wala na sila itong... Ay, inani. Ulay man akong hinapon. Itong violet ba? Retinol man na. So,
Oo man ah. Ano araw? Ano yan? Ano ba?
Bior, Japan. Wala gid sila ay. Sige, balik-balik dire. I need this. This is for my face.
Ano nang
Mo ba na yun? Iluy. 162.
Ano din lang sa baba. Basta ko rin yan.
Tatrabaho kay healing inner child na ka.
Itong ano akong taga-bomb.
Let's try this Pringles. Tag 97. Let's try this too. Let's find some milk. Almond Kokara.
Chicken, ito lang. Ay, galing ako. Head ka kabla. Huli mo lang ako kung parsa. Ay, Arla. Yun yun na.
Mama ng Arla, di ba sa mga coffee shop, Arla man lang ginagamit.
Arla lang yun.
Ano yung full cream? Soya, duwin ako kaon. Pero kain naman yung soya milk. It's 80. Kaya chocolate milk man siya. No outside milk. If they have, they're gonna be sold out right away. So, gusto ko kape. Wala na ko yung kape. Kani sa balay, oh.
Sabi eh.
Wala ko kabalo.
Kailang ano itong pares ko. Ay, sa Thailand, gano'n mga pagyata, gano'n nila.
Founders. Di ko ganahan, oh. Founders.
Katulad lang.
Kirkland. So, ganun. Hindi na ko katong Dunkin unta na kape. Katong dako bitaw na Dunkin. Kaya kanila mi kay ni
Sila saan?
katong sa Japan man ni ipalit ni Bintoy.
Kahit dito.
Mahal man ni. Wariris. And sticks 210.
Almost been natin the bus. Ang brownies ah.
Is that masarap?
Ano na kung kaning lotion. Di ba ito powder ba?
So, I'm gonna need some coffee. We got some here.
Wala na, nakagamay.
Try this. It's, 269. Tama ba ni 269?
Oh.
Buy two. Because I no longer have coffee. Kape.
Splenda.
I'll try this. It's 149 daw.
Okay, anything you want, guys? Let's get what's the jeans with you?
Let's get some. Hey.
Siguro wala tayo na sinamad.
Diyan na.
Yung kapal ko mo.
Try this. Bang na to.
Yan na. Ano mo na stick to? Efficient lang sa
Iwan na lang yung mga para makita-kita yun. Picture eh.
Malakas mo ako. Kita. Ano, ito din na. Dami pa sa ako paris yan. Sila sa amin.
Big.
Ano, ano siya? Ionizing.
Kaya na ng brown sugar.
Baka.
Kaya na lang card kanita. 6,489. Ay, ano pa naman? Kalingkuran. Let's have our lunch. Kaya na lang ta. Order to kape. Ice Americano. fish. Ayan, we're going back na. We're going home. Asang? Pag-CR? Mag-CR ka. Going back to Mintan.